Kneel on the floor in a quadruped position with your knees under your hips, hands under your shoulders, and spine in a neutral position. Raise your opposite arm and leg straight out, keeping your abs braced, stomach in, and your whole body in one straight line from head to foot. Then bring that same arm and leg in until they touch each other under your torso. The goal with this exercise is to resist rotation and extension forces that attempt to destabilize your spine. So keep your shoulders and hips square to the ground with no twisting.